A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, all of you, I hope all of you understand this chapter, Tale of Two Birds. We already revised the chapter, we already learned the summary of the chapter, as well as we already write down the word meanings of the chapter and the question and answers also. All of you students, you can note down the question and answers as well as word meanings. Now, what else? We are going to move forward for the MCQs of this chapter. The MCQs of A Tale of Two Birds. The MCQs, you have to revise these MCQs. Question number 1. The two baby birds got separated as the two baby birds got separated as the first option, the rishi took one of them, the mother took one of them, the king took one of them, the strong wind blew them away. So, all of you know the answer of this one. The strong wind blew them away. Question number 2. Lived the newborn babies lived, first option, in comfort with their mother in a lovely cave in an ashram. The newborn babies lived with their mother. The third one, the cave was inhabited by the lion, the rabbits, the robbers, the rishi. The robbers. Question number 4. The second birds the second bird made his nest. Where he made the nest? Near the Rishi ashram, on a tree near the Rishi ashram, where the mother lived at a comfortable habitat. So all of you know the answer of this one. A second bird made his nest on a tree near the Rishi ashram. And then the fifth one. The two baby bird have made separated nest as the two baby bird made separate nest as option A. They did not love each other. B. They were not dis- destined to be together. They were under a major spell. They could not stay together. So the answer is they were not destined to be together. Sixth, the mother bird. The mother bird what? Options are could not help flying, fell down the nest, keep helping the little ones, was killed unluckily. So the answer is was killed unluckily. The seventh one, the two babies grew up. The two babies grew up to be wild, to become the owner in different environment in the mother's nest. The two babies grew up in different environment because both of them separated because of the storm wind, right? So they in different environment because one of them is in Rishi ashram and one of them is near about the robbers cave. The next question, the king got afraid as the bird talked like robbers. The king got afraid as the king was the king got afraid as what? The bird talked like robbers, a bullet was shot, a strong wind blew, his horse was lost. The bird talked like robbers. Question number 9. The king got amazed as the bird. First option, spoke like humans, look alike, looked alike, did not look the same, shouted at him. So the answer is looked alike. Question number 10. The company one keeps Option A is decided by parent, is decided by fate, has to be good, tells what you are. So the answer is tells what you are. Now moving forward to the short question and answers. How did the two birds live before being separated? All of you know that before being separated, the two birds lived with their mother. The mother had made a nest in a tall tree. There it kept her young ones and looked after them. How did the king lose his way? The king went to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. Soon the king lost his way. He did not know where he was. How did the rishi welcome the king? The rishi requested the king to go inside the ashram. He asked him to make himself comfortable and share his food. How did the two baby birds get separated? One day, a big storm blew down the tall tree in which the bird lived. The strong wind blew away the baby bird to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave. The other bird landed outside a rishi ashram. In this way, the two baby birds got separated. Where did each of them find a home? Each of them found a home on the other side of the forest. One of them found a home in a tree that stood near a cave of the robbers. The other found a home in a near a rishi ashram. So that's why both of them are different. What did the first bird say to the stranger? The stranger, means king, heard the first bird say, "Quick, hurry up, there's someone under the tree. Come and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he'll slip away." Next question. What did the second bird say to him? The second bird said to him means the king, "Welcome to the ashram. Sir, please go inside and rest. The rishi will be back soon. There's some cold water in the pot. Please make yourself comfortable." The next question. How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the bird behaved? The king told the rishi how the two birds looking alike he behaved differently. The rishi explained that the bird living in the company of the robbers talk like robbers. On the other hand, the birds living in the company of rishis repeated the words of the rishis only. Which one of the following sum up the story best? A bird in a hand is worth two in the bushes. One is known by the company one keeps. A friend is a friend indeed. So the answer is one is known by the company one keeps. So these are the MCQs of this chapter. So we already completed, as well as I already explained you the summary of the chapter as well as Hindi of the chapter. So what you need to do is you have to note it down the MCQs in your classwork copies, and then after you have to send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number. Don't send it to in groups. You have to send me the photo of your copies through separate WhatsApp, right? In my personal WhatsApp number. My personal WhatsApp number is 9953630979. This one is my WhatsApp number. You can send your work on my personal WhatsApp number. So that's all about today's class. So all of you take care yourself. Wash your hands time to time so that you save yourself, right? No need to go anywhere. Just play at your home. Don't go anywhere. because nowadays all of you have seen coronavirus is spreading in all over the Khatima itself and all over the world. So only through wearing a mask and don't go anywhere we can defeat this disease. So all of you take care of yourself. Goodbye and take care. Thank you. Bye bye.